President Todoroki? Oh no. Kacchan, they're about to announce the next president!
I don't care, it's not like I voted.
You didn't vote?
We're 16, Deku!
Oh yeah.
And now please welcome your 47th president, young Todoroki!
What?
Oh, come on!
I didn't even know I was running, but I'll take the dub.
Shoto, how would you describe our nation's current crisis?
I don't know, probably with words.
What about global warming?
I'll just freeze the planet. Dear God, he's a genius! Free soba for everyone. Hey. Oh wow, this might not be so bad! And now I declare a nationwide manhunt on Endeavor.
What?
Shoot to kill.
Shoto! Oh, we're so screwed!
Don't we live in Japan?
You're gonna be better than I think so. It's my better than you start me. But I
Alright, you ready? Yeah. Hey! Shh, dude, no. You gotta go like, hey. Oh, okay. Wait. Now
a doom ポンパドールの男子が好きです。だいたいこういう人はウケです。ワンワンドン。
ショートテコバカドエジロ動画お茶子旅